Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Welcome, welcome. So happy you could stop by. Today, as promised, I am doing a flip through of the recipe journal that I had a tutorial on just a few weeks ago. And this is the one that we worked on. It is a cloth cover. It's the soft. I use the method where the cover is soft. I have sprayed it with Scotch Guard to kind of help with any little spills or whatever, but this is not waterproof. I put a little label here in the back for you to write in whatever you would like. It's a digital. It looks real, but it is actually made out of cardstock. And here is the back. And it's held together with seam binding. However, if it bothers you, you can cut these off. It pretty well stays closed, quite nicely by itself. And if you wanted to put it up on the shelf, you could do that. Therefore, I didn't put anything on the front. I didn't think it needed it. And also, you can put this in a bookshelf with other books without catching on the front of the cover. So we'll get started on the inside. This is a double chipboard cover, so it's very hard. You'd have to really try hard to bend that. And I have cloth here on the inside. And this is divided into 7 sections, and each section begins with a decorative page in a large pocket, and I've added some ephemera to each of these pockets. And I envision perhaps this could be a place to put in newspaper clippings or recipes you want to try in the future, or ones that you haven't filed yet. And then it's followed by 3 pages in which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pockets. I have included in here 42 recipe cards throughout the journal for you to start with. But this will hold either the 3x5, which is what this is, size, or the 4x6 recipe card, whichever you end up wanting to use. Okay, and so they have decorative paper on these smaller pockets here on each page below. And here is the second section. And we'll go through here just to give you an idea of how it is decorated. Now, there are, like I say, there are 7 sections in here, and I am going to include tabs, and some of them have just regular, common division names on them, but I've also included several tabs that are plain for you to write your own division or section as you would like to. So these here then, of course, can be folded over as such and then applied to the side, however you would like to do that. So that will be included. These make awesome gifts for like a bridal shower, where the whole family could write down, or family and friends can write some of their favorite recipes, and it could be a beautiful gift for that. It's a wonderful place to store perhaps heritage journals, or not journals, but recipes that have been handed down by the family. You want to keep those things together, and it's just a fun place to store your recipes. So these are the sections. There are 147 pockets throughout this whole journal. And if you were to put just one recipe into each pocket, then that's 147 recipes. However, I'm pretty confident you could probably put 2 cards into each of these pockets, and you could double that to 294 recipes if you would like. All right, and so here is the back of that. And that is the journal. I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be doing in the future, and this is, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it is in my Etsy shop if you are interested. So please visit there to check that out. And also I will link down below the tutorial that I did on assembling that. Just wanted to let you know next week what I have planned to do, and I'm going to be making a ring bound journal next week, and it's going to involve these lovely digitals from Victoria Designs. They're very pretty. This is going to have, of course, a bird theme to it, and I'm looking forward to getting that done. Love these colors. I think it would be very nice. I'm going to, of course, add some botanicals to that as well. So that is what is going to be happening next week. So please consider subscribing. And I have some other ideas, of course, on my plate as well. So we will talk to you later. Bye.